Welcome back. Today, we are showing you how to engrave stunning 2.5D relief images using the HeatSign UV crystal engraving machine. Step 1. Power on the machine and connect to Wi-Fi. Next, open your computer on the exact same network and wirelessly transfer your 2.5D file directly to the engraver. Step 2. Measure your crystal. Polish the surface of the crystal. Remember our 5mm golden rule. Width and length need be smaller than crystal size. The image thickness is set to vary between 3 and 7mm, depending on the thickness of the crystal. Set the medium thickness to the actual thickness of the crystal. Step 3. Click Locate to preview the marked location. Hit Start. Watch as the high-precision UV laser utilizes cold marking technology to build your contoured 2.5D relief layer by layer inside the glass, preventing any microcracks. Hit Start. Watch as the high-precision UV laser utilizes cold marking technology to build your contoured 2.5D relief layer by layer inside the glass, preventing any microcracks. The result is a lifelike image with incredible internal depth, leaving the outside flawlessly smooth. Contact HeatSign to get started today.